I'm here again in Cornish Beach, Abu Dhabi. While I'm not busy and I don't have training today. See the sun, no? I'm waiting for the sun to goes down because I want to see the sunset before I'm going home. Welcome to my vlog. I feel dizzy every time I turn around. Welcome to my vlog. Happy Monday, everyone. The water is high. It's high tide today, and the windy. That's why the water is waving. Sometimes the water is low tide, but now it's high tide. Almost coming here up the water. And I wanna see the I want to smell the salty water from the sea, from the ocean. That's why, while I'm not busy and I don't have work yet, I want to come here to walk around, even 1 hour only. See? When I in front of the